Hello and welcome to Cambridge Motors, established in 1959 here at the same address in Plumstead, London. Here we have for sale a BMW Grand 2 Series. So the Grand means it's got the extra seat, 7-seat version. This is a petrol automatic. It's the 2-litre M Sport version, so it's one of the top specs. It's only had one owner from new with full BMW service history. Finished in a nice metallic black. Very low mileage on this car. It's got some nice extras, so it's got the front parking sensors, there'll be extra. It's got the side sensors, because this one has self-park, another extra, park assist. Diamond cut alloy wheels. This model comes with full leather seats. It's got the M Sport logo here. Seats looks like they've never been sat in, really good condition. It's not been smoked in, no pets. It's got the blue inserts as well on the seats here, as you can see the blue stitching. Also has the interior lighting pack, so you can change the colour of the light that runs around here and around the door cards. Another extra is the courtesy glass, sun protection glazing, BMW call that. There's two USB ports here in the rear. Also you can blow the air conditioner or heating to the passengers in the rear via these vents. Comes with the centre divider with drinks holder. These seats also slide forward and backwards, so you can slide forward or back to suit the rear passengers, as I say, because this one has the 7 seats. So sometimes you have to compromise and pull these seats forward. Also comes with a power tailgate. Can be done by the key as well, and also inside the driver's door there's a switch for that. There's your 2 extra seats. There is a parcel shelf here as well, so if you wanted to drop these seats down and then put the parcel shelf in and use this as a 5-seat, you could do so. Has the netting in the rear here. Comes with 4 electric windows, heated electric adjusting mirrors. Has a stereo system with like a bass box speaker under the seats here. Auto lights and auto wipers on this one. The steering is adjustable up and down, in and out. There is a push button start system here. You can mirror your music via this screen here if you wanted, so it plays your picture albums as well, which is neat. Has navigation built in, so you've got navigation there. Also mirrors your directions into that center screen there, which is a nice feature. Tells you how many yards before your next instructions. Has SOS call in here. Hopefully it's not needed, but it's there just in case. All the book packs are present with this one. As I say, this one's one owner with full BMW history. Also has both keys with the car. Comes with a collision prevention system here. Also it has the BMW driving mode, so you go from sports mode to comfort to economy mode, whichever you prefer. Has cruise control and speed limitation. Also has a voice command system here. In the gearbox it's fully automatic, but you can put it into Tiptronic mode and use the plus and minus, although I think no one seems to use it if I'm honest, but it's there just in case. This one also has, as I said, parking sensors front and rear with a park assist, so you can set here like a self-parking system if you wanted to. But if there's any questions or anything you'd like to know, please don't hesitate to either email or call. Many thanks.